Hey everyone, it's Sheena with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today I'm going to be making over my front porch for fall. So this is what it looks like right now. So this is what I'm working with. I've still got some beautiful green bushes. I've got a little bit of flowering green still happening around here. But all of my other stuff that I set up last year, like this plant died, cobwebs everywhere over there. This plant isn't doing so good. My chair definitely needs to be resealed. And these plants over here, although they survived, they aren't looking that great. Same story over here with these flowers. Although they survived, they're pretty yellow and dry and not doing so great all around. So just going to be working with this small area and getting it ready to go. Bought a few new plants for my front porch makeover for fall. I'm not really a big mum person, and so I went with some ferns, and they still had some petunias. And then this plant right here is gonna have these yellow, like daisy type flowers. And then this guy over here, I've never had a plant like this before, so I don't really know. I just thought it was a really pretty color, so I grabbed that one. So outside of the plants, this is what I have to work with out here. I bought some straw, some pumpkins and gourds, some florals, and I have some other stuff that was already out here before. I found these cute lanterns right here. Those are awesome. Those are awesome cast iron. I love them so much. I have some birch branches that I found here, and then just like a few other things. So I'm gonna see if I could put these together. I might pull a couple plants from my backyard out here. So let's see what we could do. watching. I had a lot of fun making over my front porch. It was really dirty and it took me a while to do it, but it turned out so cute. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I hope you guys really enjoyed coming along with me. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I'm trying to grow my channel, so I appreciate each and every single person. And if you want to see how I made this wreath right here, make sure to check out my channel because I have a video on that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.